Hi, I'm Wendy. In this vlog we're going to be exploring Kidwelly Quay and the nearby Carmarthenshire Canal. The quay is located on the north bank of the Gwyndraeth estuary close to Kidwelly, and it's part of the Carmarthen Bay Special Area of Conservation. There's an information board on the quay and you can pause the video to see where we are. Also, as always, I'll put some links below in the description box. Walking up the canal from the quay, we look for water rails. We've seen them many times in the reeds in this spot, but not today. Don't the daffodils look lovely? There are 3 or 4 bridges going over the canal in this area. This was the first one. And there's a lovely view looking back towards the estuary from where we'd walked. Walking up the canal and just by the second bridge, there's this really interesting shaped tree. It must be the one I put into an oil painting some years ago. I still have this painting. I'm very fond of it. The weather wasn't as nice as today. I think it was a very bleak February day, but there was a little egret on the canal. Was I going to be lucky today and see another one? You've probably guessed. Well, I was lucky. This was the view from the 3rd bridge with the little egret in the distance. And I managed to get some close-up views before it flew off. This was really great because I found him or her again on the little stream in the marshes. This little path on the way back on the other side of the canal runs adjacent to a sewage farm. It's a birder's paradise. I was on the hunt for a goldcrest. I'd seen them before here, but they are so tiny and quick and such a bugger to photograph. I did manage to find one though and got 1 or 2 quite nice pictures of it. And this was the first blackthorn of the year that I'd seen. Now this little picture of the blackthorn took less than, 20 minutes painting time. It really is fast and loose. I like spontaneity in paintings, but it's not as easy as sometimes it might look. If you're interested and would like to have a go at painting blackthorn in this fast and loose manner, then I'm planning a step-by-step really soon. I'm also thinking of ways you can display your work from this project on my website, so stay tuned. And if you press the subscribe button, you'll be notified when I have new content here on YouTube and when I get the blackthorn painting project off the ground. We're looking forward very much to visiting Kidwelly Quay later in the year, and we'll pick a time when the tide is out, when the mud flats are full of wading birds, including redshanks, curlews and lapwing.